Today I'm going to show you how to make flickering and flashing lights in Minecraft for any project that needs it, like hole mods, haunted house, anything. So you need to grab a level, redstone dust, and redstone repeater. Very simple. No like pistons or anything like that. Not that dancing angle. You place it like that, then you want to place one like that. I thought that was wrong, but it is correct. I just did it like that. You place it in like a round circle, like the redstones connecting the repeaters as you see there. Kind of like a 4-star or something. Then this is the tricky part. You have to, when you click the level, you have to click it fast and then click it again. So it could actually, do what you're seeing right now, flicker. And you can make it go slower and slower. So right now it's going pretty fast. So yeah, so just that's the example. And I built this room to show you I could hide stuff in the ceiling. I don't know how to do this in the walls. So if you have another floor up there, like on top of that ceiling, you might have to adjust because I do not have a design for that. But it'll flicker. So bye. How did I miss in the second video I recorded? Bye.